Well, hi all. I wanted to talk a little bit about the 597 with the manual reverse in it that many of you helped me with, and I'm very appreciative of that. I did get it back together, and 99% sure it's all original, and it's been running pretty good, forward and reverse. And I've been running it in forward, so I will show you just pushing the lever back. Get it to run in reverse. I had a little bit of a problem because it wasn't the switch wasn't matching up with the rivets, and basically all it needed was to have two of the rivets tightened up, and that seemed to have solved the problem. Other than that, just cleaned up the motor a little bit, and it's running pretty good. Switch it back into forward. Unfortunately, right now, I don't have a Joy-Line tender to match up with it, but I do have several Joy-Line cars. I guess you've seen them running here, and pick them up when I can, when I see one. And I guess everybody does the same. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. Try to give you a little bit more of an overview before my battery runs out. And thank everybody for watching, and again I thank everybody for their advice and their help in getting this, I guess about 1934, 1935 Marx locomotive back in action. Thank you for watching.